Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fast forward on Peacock TV. To fast forward on Peacock TV, first of all open up your web browser and then type in peacocktv.com in the URL box. After you end up in the home page of Peacock TV, also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you get to the home page of Peacock TV, scroll down and go ahead and select any content that you'd like to play. After you start playing the content, and in time you want to use the fast forward button, all you need to do is to click on this arrow where it shows 10 inside the circle. Simply click on that little arrow pointing to the right on the video player controls at the bottom in order to fast forward for the content. If you want to rewind, you can use the other 10 arrow button on the left hand side. So that way you will be able to fast forward on Peacock TV using a computer or your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.